What does even though mean? Even though is a phrase used to show contrast between two ideas. In simple words, even though means despite the fact that, or although. We use even though when one situation happens, but another situation is different or opposite. It connects two opposite ideas in a sentence. For example, even though it was raining, we went outside. This means it was raining, but we still went outside. Here is another example. She passed the exam even though she was very nervous. This means she was nervous, but she still passed. Even though is used at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. For example, even though he was tired, he continued working. Or, he continued working even though he was tired. Both sentences have the same meaning. Even though is stronger than just though or although because it emphasizes the contrast more clearly. It is commonly used in daily conversation and writing. Here are more example sentences. Even though the price was high, I bought the phone. Even though they practiced hard, they lost the match. Even though she felt sick, she attended school. The key idea is that something happened despite a difficulty or opposite condition. In simple terms, even though means despite the fact that. Easy way to remember. Even though means something happened but there was a problem or opposite condition.